In this video, I will show how to install WordPress manually on a cPanel server. We are logged into cPanel of the website. This is the website URL. Let us visit the website. We don't have any file uploaded yet. Let's go to the WordPress.org website and download the latest version of WordPress. WordPress.org. Click on Get WordPress. Here you can see the latest version. Download WordPress 6.0.2. Click on download. The download has started. It is finished downloading. Now open the cPanel file manager. You can search file manager on the top search box. Click on file manager. Now you need to go to the public_HTML folder. This is the folder where you need to upload the website files. If you create a file, index.php, create new file, right click on the file and select edit. Now let's put a text, welcome. On the top right side, click on the save changes. Are you sure you want to save the file? Click OK. Close the editor. Now if you go to the website and refresh, you will see the welcome message. Now we don't need the index.php, we need a WordPress installed here. So delete this file, right click and delete. We have the WordPress file downloaded to the downloads folder. To upload this file to your website, click on the upload button on the file manager. On this page, click on the select file, go to the downloads folder. Here you can see the WordPress zip file. Click open. That will start uploading the file to the cPanel server. The upload is 100%. Click on go back to the public_HTML folder. Click on to see the file. Click on the reload button. We have the file here. We need to extract this file. Right click and extract. Click on the button extract files. We have all our files extracted here. We don't need the zip anymore. Remove it. Right click on the zip file. Delete it. If you refresh here, you will see the WordPress. If you install WordPress here, your URL will be like this. You don't need this WordPress folder here. To remove the WordPress, what you need to do is select all this file and drag it to the public_HTML folder. So go to the public_HTML. You can see the WordPress folder. We don't need this folder anymore because we moved all the files outside to the public_HTML folder. Right click on WordPress folder and you can delete it. Go to the website and refresh. You will see the WordPress installation page. Click on continue. Click on let's go. Here you need to enter the MySQL database. In the cPanel, search for MySQL. Then select the MySQL database wizard. We need to enter a name for the database. WPYT. Click on next step. You get the message database is created with the name SOK46_WPYT. Next we need to create a user. We will use the same name as the database for the user. Now we have to enter a password here. We can use the password generator. That will generate a secure password. Copy the password and save it because we need this during the installation. Click on the checkbox. I have copied this password in a safe place. Then click on use password. Click on create user. This will create a user. We have the user and database here. Copy it. This is the user and this is the database. Next we have to give privileges for the user to the database. We will give all privileges. Click on all privileges. All the checkboxes here are selected. Click on make changes. So we have the database and the user created and user have all privileges on the database. Go back to the WordPress install wizard. Here we need to enter the database name. Copy the database name. Paste here. Our username is also same as the database name. Next we have to enter the password. Click on submit. Click on the run the installation button. Here we have to enter a site title. Here you need to enter a title for your website. You can use whatever you want. Next we need admin username. I will use server OK. This will be the password for WordPress. If you want to change, you can type a new password here. This is the auto-generated password. If you want to change, you can type a new password here. So the WordPress username is server OK. Next we need to enter the email address. Enter your email address here. Search engine visibility. If you check this search box, your site won't be indexed by search engine. For most sites, you don't want this checkbox checked. If you check this, your site won't be indexed by any of the search engines. Click on Install WordPress. The WordPress installation is completed. You can click on Login button to log into WordPress admin area. Our username is server OK. You can use the username or email address here and the password. The WordPress installation is complete. We are logged into the WordPress admin area. Let us go to the home page. This is our WordPress installation. We have one post. If you want to change your site title or email address, click on the settings, general. Here you can change your website title and the email address is here. If you want to change your password, mouse over your username on the right top corner, then edit profile. On this page, you have the option to change a password. Here click on the new password. WordPress will auto-generate a strong password. You can enter your custom password if you want. I will copy this password. Click on update profile. This is how you install WordPress manually on a cPanel server. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.